70% of patients under treatment at the mental health care of Lady Reading Hospital are cases of acute psychological distress due to terror, as Peshawar goes through some of the bloodiest years of its entire history. The bloodshed and violence have severely affected the mental health of the younger lot, more who seems to be living in a perpetual state of fear.
یادداشت مې کمزوري شوي هر یو شی لکه هیروم یاد راته نی
They become numb and detached, and they avoid the situations, and there are terrible dreams, and they have difficulty in sleeping.
Situation is becoming even gloomier as more people suffering from severe distress and agony due to unending bomb blasts in the city.
मेरे इतने जानने वाले अजीज हैं यकीन करो कारोबार छोड़ दिया दफ्तर नहीं जा रहे हैं बच्चे स्कूल में नहीं जा रहे हैं स्कूल बंद हो चुके हैं इस धमाके की वजह से क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि निकलेंगे तो बाहर धमाका हो जाए हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे रह जाएंगे बच्चे.
Because these attacks were deliberate, extremely violent and involved large number of casualties, there is potential for many people to suffer lasting psychological effects.
ऐसे हालात ख़राब हो चुके हैं ना, आप देखें मार्केट के हालात आपको खुद भी नज़र आ रहे हैं. कभी मार्केट जो हमारी क्लोजिंग होती थी रात को 10 साढ़े 10 बजे, आजकल मार्केट के ये हालात हैं कि 7:30-8 बजे तक कस्टमर ही गायब हो जाता है.
Psychologists say feeling of anger, blame and rage may be more common than usual and have the potential to lead to violence against others, including loved ones. They say some people turn to tranquilizers while some even start consuming alcohol. Doctors say if significant distress continued unchecked for many months, professional help should be considered.
There are different types of treatments in that modalities. We can give cognitive behavioral therapy, supportive therapy. We can counsel them. We can educate them.
While the government is fighting a long, hard battle against terror, there is little hope that violence will wither away anytime soon. But experts say the civil society, especially educational institutions, can make a difference by working for community mental health in this time of traumatic stress. Yasin Kamran, Dawn News, Peshawar.